When you purchase a GSI 39, you will select the version that is most appropriate for your patient population. This includes selection of the probe tone, 226 Hz only, or the combination of 226 Hz and 1000 Hz probe tones, which results in a different style probe provided. If your patient population does not include infants under the age of 1 year, then the 226 Hz probe tone will be sufficient. The GSI 39 with audiometry includes over-the-ear headphones. Optional accessories include insert earphones and a patient response button. Additionally, the GSI 39 has an onboard printer and is compatible with GSI Suite for electronic management of screening data. This lightweight desktop instrument can easily be moved from facility to facility using the optional carrying case.